gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. Today I am at the Lalit, New Delhi and we are celebrating the 48th National Day of Fiji. So let's visit this beautiful event and see what's happening around. Congratulations, sir, on your National Day today. I would like to know your expression, your feelings about today and what the event is about.
Namaste, everybody. This is my first event here in India, so it was important for me to have a good mix of diplomatic, come friends, come business community, because we have got a lot of airline people, a lot of tourism people that have been talking to us, and we wanted to make sure that we show our appreciation to all of them. So a lot of them are my son's friends, and you know, it's something we thought that it's time to put my mark on the ground. The 48th anniversary is also around the time when we have a new elections in Fiji right now. Elections in November. So for that reason, we brought up the message from our president that you saw on the screen. The fact is that Fiji is now getting a better footing in India, because over the period, you know, I don't know if I told you this one, but after India, Fiji is the only other country in the world that has Hindi as an official language. So suddenly we have found a very special link with India, and we are now building on that. So today, the presence of you know, the Joint Secretary East, Vijay Thakur Singh. This is her first engagement as well, because she only just took office. So there's a change of guard in the government, in our Ministry of External Affairs, and there's a whole lot of change of new ambassadors coming in at the same time. So this was an excellent platform to say, listen, okay, whilst we're celebrating, it's important that we start sharing some of our values and some of our ideas. So today I've got all my honorary consuls here. So tomorrow morning is my official run. So tomorrow morning I have a breakfast with all my honorary consuls, all our trade people, for a breakfast in the morning. So I'm using this occasion, whilst they've come in from Calcutta and other, you know, in South, all the different they've come down. So this is what this celebration is all about.
And I can see that people are so excited, so happy, and the event is so well planned, well organized. And guys, Navratras are going on. I could see that Navratra food is also available here. That shows that how much Indianism is, imbibed in Fijians as well.
That is true. I mean, I'm a vegetarian myself, so to me, appreciating and valuing the culture and the norms over here is important. So I realized that we were going to bring in a lot of people who are honoring or celebrating the Navratri. And I said, listen, let's have a separate section for them. No garlic, no onion, all that sort of thing. That we have done it, very kosher.
That really fascinated me. Thanks for talking to MSTV, and wish you a very happy National Day once again.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
Let's have some words from Mrs. Megan, who's the CEO of Barefoot College. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the National Day of Fiji today.
Thank you very much. Very happy to be here.
So first of all, we would like to know that what are your feelings about Fiji, and what is your idea about Fiji, the country?
Oh my goodness, Fiji, I first went to Fiji when I was 12 years old, and I remember thinking I'd landed in paradise. It's very beautiful.
Exactly. We have heard that tagline that Fiji is where happiness finds you. So I suppose same resonates with you as well.
Yes, of course, but I think for me it also represents a place where leadership is being shown around sustainability, around our sustainable development goals, and really looking at how climate change is affecting the Pacific Islands and taking a leadership position in that aspect.
So if I ask you that what is the most beautiful memory about Fiji, then what would you share?
Diving with the sharks at dawn off of Kandavu.
So that was most amazing for you, I suppose.
Yeah, I think Kandavu is a very special island, and the diving is spectacular. And I remember it was the morning that the All Blacks were playing in the Olympics, and they won, of course, the rugby. The Fijian rugby team won that day. And so we dove with the sharks in the morning, watched rugby, and then went back out into the sea to dive again in the afternoon.
That's beautiful. Some words for the National Day of Fiji, something you would like to express or share for them?
Congratulations, Fiji.
Short, simple and sweet. Thanks for talking to MSTV. अब बातचीत करते हैं उदित राज जी से और जानते हैं कि आज उनकी फीलिंग्स क्या है फिजी के नेशनल डे पे. हेलो सर, वेलकम टू द नेशनल डे ऑफ फिजी. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप इन लोगों को आज?
जी, भारतीय मूल के ही लोग हैं, और जब इनसे हम मिलते हैं तो बड़ा अपनत्व की भावना महसूस होती है. और फिजी के जो एम्बेसडर हैं वो मेरे व्यक्तिगत दोस्त भी हैं और बहुत ही मिलनसार हैं. और हाल के दिनों में फिजी भारत के और करीब आया हुआ है, और उनकी जो सांस्कृतिक धरोहर है, यहाँ तक की भाषा है, वो बहुत सारा कॉमन है वो जो भारतीय से. तो बड़ा अच्छा है. आज इनका एनुअल फंक्शन है यहाँ पर, और ये संबंध और मजबूत हो, और यही मैं चाहूँगा. और मैं पूरे फिजी वासियों को दिल की गहराई से मैं आज बधाई देता हूँ.
What energies, beautiful people, beautiful ambience, beautiful food, beautiful performance. I'm sure that you have enjoyed today's event. That's all for today about the 48th National Day of Fiji. I, Shreya Katyal, sign off for the day, but I'm sure that you are going to connect to MSTV for lots of more such programs.